to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulomi and you are more than welcome to my channel. And if you have been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look where I have played mostly with a neutral color and a very favorite color of all of us, which is brown. So yeah, I have played with lots and lots of shades of brown, and for a little bit of pop of color I have played with some blues under my eyes, some electric blue shade under my eyes. And as you guys know that since this is my channel and I just can't stay without a glitter, so I use some glitter onto like this outer portion of my eyes. So yeah, this was all about today's look. I hope you guys will enjoy watching the video, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video you are updated via YouTube. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm already done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly start ahead with my eye makeup. And to start on with my eye makeup, the very first color, the very first palette that I'm going to choose right now is going to be my Morphe Extreme Shouts palette, which is basically this one. And from this particular palette I'm just going to take this beautiful light brown shade over here, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to start with this particular shade. So as I have started with a light brown shade, you can already tell that this is going to be a neutral glam look. So today I'm going to glam up my eyes with the neutral colors, the brown and the basic colors. So yeah, for that I'm going to start with that one. So taking that light brown shade, I'm just going to put it onto like this area of my eyes. Right now I'm just taking the color and placing it onto the areas where I want that color to be in. I'm not literally blending or doing anything more than that. So I was doing a lot of colorful looks back to back on my channel, and I suddenly thought of let's do something neutral and do something with some colors like oranges and browns. And then I was like, okay, who said that oranges and browns cannot be glammed up? So I thought of glamming this up entirely like I do with any colorful shade, just using like two very basic colors which are like the browns and the oranges. So right now I'm almost done with outlining my eyes, and this is going to be the shape for today's eyeshadow look creation. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take another color which is going to be a darker shade than the one I chose. So that is going to be this particular shade over here, which is basically this one. And taking this beautiful shade over here, this dark brown shade, I'm just going to put it onto my crease so that I can darken up my crease area a little bit more. And taking the dark brown shade onto a small blending brush, I am going to place it onto my crease. So I'm just taking the shade and placing it onto my crease and trying to blend it so that everything looks nice and diffuse, and at the same time I have that darkness on my crease so that it looks very intense and intensified. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And right now I am dragging the shade a little bit outwards just to give it that winged out effect. So right now when I'm done with that dark brown shade and putting it onto my crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. And for my concealer I'm using my PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, which is basically this one. I have used this to prep and try my eyelids also today. So this is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, and I am going to take this to cut my crease. So right now when I'm done with cutting my crease, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Orangey Glade palette from Colourpuff Cosmetics, and taking this beautiful palette over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this beautiful metallic shade over here, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful metallic shade, I'm just going to fill in the area where I have cut my crease. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush and start patting that shade onto like this entire portion of my eyes where I have cut my crease. So now at this point, when I'm done with that metallic shade from my Orange Hue Glade palette by Colourpuff Cosmetics, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this waterproof gel pencil from Maybelline, which is their long-lasting drama gel pencil, and this is in the shade Glazed Toffee, and so this is basically a brown colored gel pencil. So I'm just going to take this particular pencil over here and start drawing a nice winged liner. And then I'm just going to blend it out further with the color brown. So I'm just going to start doing that with this particular pencil. So right now when I'm done using this Maybelline gel pencil and doing this winged liner thingy over here, and I have taken that brown shade which I used on my crease and I have blended it and given it a slight smoky effect onto like this area. So this is the reason it is looking very diffused and blended. So this is not exactly the pencil, but after the pencil I went ahead and diffused to this with the powder eyeshadow. So this is how it is looking right now. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and start doing my lower lash line. And for doing my lower lash line, I'm just going to go back towards my Morphe Exchange Showers palette, and from this particular palette I'm going to take this vibrant blue shade over here, which is basically this one, and I'm just going to take this particular shade and I'm just going to dust off the excess and start putting it onto my lower lash line. I could have used some brown or orange shades, but I thought of giving some tint of and some pop of colors. So I'm just taking that color onto my small precise brush and I'm just going to put it onto my lash line. So right now when I'm done using that dark blue shade from this particular palette onto like this area of my eyes, what I did is I went ahead and took this metallic shade over here, which is basically this one. It is very vibrant in shade, it's very beautiful. I just took that shade onto my brush and I gently pat it onto like this area of my eyes, like the inner tear duct of my eyes, so that it gives like a nice ombre effect of the blue, so the lighter, and then it goes on to the darker shade. So yeah, that is it right now. So right now when I'm done with everything, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some mascara and some falsies, and I will be completing the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and my mascara and completing the entire look. So I just want to say that I did something extra by putting on my Colourpuff Cosmetics glitter palette. This is the 12 glitter palette, which is basically this one, and from this particular glitter palette, like beautiful glitter palette, I basically used this color over here, which is this pressed glitter. So I used this one, I took this one and I put it onto like this particular area of my eyes, as you can see, because it's blingy right now. And you guys know that I cannot operate without a little bit of bling, so that's just totally me. So yeah, this is my complete look, and for my mascara I have used my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, which is basically this one. I am enjoying using this mascara. This is such a lengthening mascara, I tell you guys. I just love using this one in my day-to-day life and for my videos too. I just love using this one. And for my falsies, I am wearing my PAC M77 lashes, which are basically this one. And on my lips, I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is basically this one. It is in the shade Yes Honey. I just love using this particular shade. It's so beautiful, such a beautiful nude shade, and goes on with almost every kind of a look that I am wearing for that day. So yeah, this is it for my today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.